Guys, today we're going to be installing new bumper lights on my 95 Integra. Just got my package in. Let's go install. I have my 1995 Acura Integra. Today we're going to be installing the front bumper lights. That's currently budged up. As you can see, I removed that one, broke it, and yeah. Leads me to buy some new ones, buy some clear ones. Let's go ahead and unbox. Packaging slip, bunch of foamy shit. Anything else? Nope. Alright, here we are. Clear bumper lights for the 95 Integra. We're going to go ahead and start by removing the driver's side. Alright, we're going to start by removing this screw right here. Boom. And then it should just wiggle it out and come out pretty easy, just like that. And then you got two lights bulbs connecting right here. You want to go ahead and twist it, and it should just pop right out. Same thing for this side, twist, pops right out. And you want to go ahead and grab your new one. Peel this off. Probably got something like this. You want to take this off too. Alright, next up, installing the new one. Just putting your bulbs in. Boom. Give it a nice twist. Make sure it's locked in. Same thing on the other side. Alright, now that you got the two bulbs in, you just gotta connect it, kind of just smudge it in right there. Put your screw back in. Oh, of course, take out your plastic, right? And then just screw it on back in. Don't mind me, guys. This is the only screwdriver that I'm working with right now. It's the only one I got right now. Boom. That's how you do the driver's side. Let's go on to the passenger side.
Yeah.
Alright, so just like the other side, just gonna wanna put the bulbs right in. We'll just take out this piece of tape. Should just twist right in, just like that. Alright guys, once you get it right in, you want to make sure it's aligned right. Put your screw right in. Don't mind my annoying neighbor. Just kidding, he's not annoying, it's actually pretty cool. Screw it right in. And bam, all set. Let's take a look. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for taking a look at my video. Please subscribe. Probably more videos coming on the way depending how this video does. If you like my content, what I'm doing so far, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Have a good day.